Hi guys, I welcome you all to my channel. Today we'll be making a classic garlic loaf. It is going to be pillow soft and has this dominating garlic flavor. Let's start the process then. So for the dough we need flour, instant dry yeast, sugar, salt, chopped garlic, butter and water. Now put all your dry ingredients together and mix them. Now add butter and water goes in. Now make a dough ball. Take it out on your working station and knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes. This step is very crucial as gluten forms at this stage. Keep kneading the dough until and unless you feel that the dough is really light and has become soft. So over here you can see the texture of my dough has changed. It is now soft. Now with the help of a scraper, give your dough a nice round shape. Now keep your dough for 20 minutes in a well greased bowl. After 20 minutes, dust your working station and give your dough a fold like this. Keep the dough in your bowl for another 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes you can see the dough has risen. It is almost doubled and now it's ready for shaping. Very gently with very light hands just dab the dough and now we'll shape it like a loaf. So now we'll tuck in and fold. So we'll take the dough, tuck it in and then fold it. Then again tuck it in and again fold it. Just pinch the ends of the bread. And now you can put it in your bread tin, and if you don't have one you can simply just put it in your baking tray and cover it with a damp cloth. Let it ferment till it doubles in size. As you can see, the dough has beautifully risen and it's ready to bake. So bake it at 230 degrees C for about 30 to 40 minutes depending upon the heat of your oven. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare the garlic topping for the loaf. Put olive oil, some roasted garlic and garlic seasoning. Cook it for a minute and keep it aside. So here is our loaf ready. Just be careful, it's gonna be super hot. And now just demold it. Put lots of garlic topping on it to get the amazing taste of this loaf. Let it cool for about 3 to 4 hours before slicing it. When you slice, you'll see how soft and pretty this loaf is. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel.